We'll guide you through how to fix the wireless adapter missing in Windows. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I'm doing this in Windows 11, but you can also follow it in Windows 10. Just things will look slightly different, but the same features we're using will still be there. So let's go and get started. Come to the bottom of your computer and click on Search and type in Device Manager like so. Then what you need to do is go and find Network Adapters, go to the left and click on the arrow to expand it. Go and check this list here and make sure it's definitely missing. In some cases, it may just be disabled, so it'll make it look like it's missing because Wi-Fi is missing from your computer. But if you go and right click on it and then click on Enable Device, it'll go and take a moment to. The wireless features on your computer should then go and start working. However, if you're sure that it is missing, let's get into the next fix. Go to the top of Device Manager and click on Action and click on Scan for hardware changes. It will start scanning and it may go and find it. If it does, then great. If it doesn't, let's get into the next step. So what you need to do is come to the bottom of your computer and click on Search and go and type in Settings like so. Then what you need to do is come to Network and Internet. This is where things will look slightly different in Windows 10, but go and find your network and internet settings. You can always go and search for them. Then what you need to do is go and scroll down and find Advanced Network Settings, scroll down again until you see Network Reset and click there. So get here in Windows 10 as well. As I said, you can always go and search for it if you're struggling to go and find it, and you can be brought right here. And what we can do is go and reset this. So go and click on Reset Now. You need to confirm your decision that they'll all be reset, press yes, and then our computer's going to shut down and restart in 5 minutes. And we can go and see if that goes and solves the problem. If that still isn't working, then it's worth installing and updating your Wi-Fi drivers. This is hard to go and record because it's quite broad, but you can go and get the drivers for a laptop brand or maybe a specific motherboard, for example, MSI, Asus, etc. You can go and find them online by searching with the model and make. Download them and install them and restart your computer, and they'll hopefully go and solve the problem. If you found this useful, then leave a like.